Ever wished you could minimize no-shows and last-minute cancellations in your business? Imagine a world where your valuable time slots aren't wasted, and you're compensated even if a client doesn't show up. Sounds good, right? Well, if you're a business owner using Vagaro, you're in luck because requiring deposits for your services and classes is not just a dream. It's a built-in feature that can revolutionize your scheduling and revenue. We've all been there. A client books, you block out the time, maybe even prepare specific materials or products, and then crickets, no show. Or perhaps a cancellation comes in just minutes before the appointment, leaving you with an unfillable gap in your day. These scenarios don't just cause frustration. They directly impact your bottom line. Every empty slot is lost income, and every wasted preparation minute is lost productivity. This is precisely where deposits come into play. By requiring a deposit on Vagaro, you're essentially securing a commitment from your clients. It's a small upfront payment that not only helps to offset potential losses from no-shows and late cancellations, but also signals a client's seriousness about their booking. Think of it as a mutual agreement. They commit to the appointment, and you commit your time and expertise. It creates a stronger, more reliable booking system for both parties. But how exactly do you set this up on Vagaro? Is it complicated? Do you need to be a tech wizard to implement it? Absolutely not. Vagaro has designed its deposit feature to be incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to customize it to fit your unique business needs. Whether you want to require a flat fee, a percentage of the service cost, or even different deposit rules for new clients versus existing ones, Vagaro provides the flexibility you need. Let's dive into the practical steps of setting up deposits on Vagaro. There are two primary ways to approach this. Automatically for online bookings through your online shopping cart settings, or manually when you're booking an appointment directly from your calendar. We'll cover both, so no matter how your clients book, you'll be able to secure those deposits. First, let's tackle automatic deposits for online bookings. This is ideal for businesses that rely heavily on clients scheduling their own appointments through your Vagaro listing page. To set this up, you'll want to navigate to your settings. On a web browser, tablet, or Paydesk, you'll go to Settings, then Online Shopping Cart. If you're on your phone, you'll tap More, then Settings, and then Online Shopping Cart. Once you're in the Online Shopping Cart settings, scroll down until you see the section titled Require Deposit or Capture Credit Card at the Time of Booking Services, or Require Deposit or Capture Credit Card at the Time of Booking Classes. Depending on what you're setting deposits for, you'll want to select Deposits here. Now, this is where you customize your deposit rules. You'll see a Deposit Due box. Here, you can decide whether you want to set a fixed deposit amount, for example, $20, or a percentage-based deposit, such as 25% of the service cost. Choose what makes the most sense for your pricing structure and services. Next, you'll encounter the For Bookings Greater Than or Equal to box. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to specify a minimum service price that will trigger the deposit requirement. For instance, if you only want to require deposits for services that are $50 or more, you'd enter $50 in this box. This gives you granular control and ensures deposits are only required when they truly benefit your business. Vagaro also offers an optional but highly recommended setting. Use same rules for in-house deposits. If you enable this, the deposit rules you're setting up for online bookings will automatically apply when you or your staff manually book appointments from the calendar. This creates consistency and saves you from having to set up separate rules. Now, let's talk about who pays the deposit. Vagaro gives you options under Require Payment For. You can choose one or more of the following: New customer appointments. For clients who don't have a profile with your business yet, old customer appointments. For your existing clientele, mobile service appointments. If you offer services at a client's location, and even customer with no-shows or cancellations. A great way to encourage accountability for clients with a history of missed appointments. Selecting these options allows you to tailor your deposit policy to different customer segments. Finally, you'll want to review your appointment cancellation policy or class cancellation policy. If you haven't already, this is where you can clearly state your policy regarding deposits in case of cancellations or no-shows. Vagaro will display this policy to your clients when they book, ensuring transparency. Once all your settings are configured to your liking, hit that Save button. From this point forward, when customers book online and meet your criteria, the system will automatically prompt them to pay the deposit upfront. What about manually collecting deposits? Let's say a client calls to book, or you're scheduling an appointment in person. Vagaro makes this easy too. When you're on your calendar and you select a time slot to create a new appointment, you'll fill in all the necessary details like the service and customer. Before finalizing the booking, you'll see a deposit due box. Similar to the online settings, you can either enter a fixed amount or select a percentage-based deposit. Then you simply select Charge Deposit. A payment pop-up will appear, allowing you to review the total due now and the remaining amount due with your client. You can then choose their preferred payment method, credit card, gift card, even a membership or package visit if applicable. Once the deposit is paid, the appointment will be securely booked on your calendar. It's that simple. It's important to note a few key things about deposits on Vagaro. When a customer pays a deposit with a card online, that card is automatically stored in their customer profile, making future transactions smoother. Also, if you run payroll through Vagaro, employees will receive their portion of the deposit on the same payroll cycle as the appointment date, ensuring fair and timely compensation. Another powerful aspect of Vagaro's deposit system is its ability to integrate with memberships and packages. If a client uses a membership or package visit to partially discount a service that requires a deposit, Vagaro will automatically recalculate the deposit amount based on the new, discounted price. And in cases where a membership or package fully covers the service, the deposit requirement will be waived, streamlining the process for your loyal clients. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.